Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Powerbeats Pro with your Android device. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices, now click pair new device and after that open the charging case. So it should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold connectional button right here for at least 3 seconds until this LED light starts flashing. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, and now it should flashing, yeah. And now we should see it at the device list. And if you can see it, just close the charging case, open it again, and then press and hold connectional button. 1, 2, and 3. And now click on your device at the device list and then click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!